Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Classic with a modern twist. That's what I really love about these C.Paravano black leather kitten heels. You can feel the quality right from the beginning with the soft lambskin insoles. And I love the stiletto style kitten heels. I feel like it gives it the modern pop that it needs. And yet you don't feel like it's too high to walk in. I love how these heels are just like a classic type of heel to go with any type of outfit. It didn't matter if I wanted to wear different types of skirts with it, or if I wanted just to wear it with a long, comfortable dress, or even if I just wanted to dress casual but give it a little bit of a classy flair. It was the perfect heels for all occasions. I usually wear a size 7.5 to 8. I ordered a size 8 in these, but they thoughtfully included heel grips in case you need them. So if you want to add some heels that are classy with a twist, I highly recommend these. I absolutely love them. And that is just my point of view.